Whoever sent you, tell them that you did what? You didn't see me. You did not, you couldn't have seen me, period. To the idea and the fact that my foundation does not match my body. Please, just cheers, cheers, cheers. Hear ye, hear ye. Your girl is back. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, join my family. Let us grow and glow together. Also, go ahead and hit that notifications bell so you hear. I mean, okay, whatever. You get notified whenever I post a new video. So I'm actually going to be trying out stuff from Sephora, and not just Sephora. Honestly, there's stuff from like Ulta here as well. I swear it felt like I got a lot of things, but looking back now, this almost looks empty. So I feel like I already cheated a little bit because I've already tried one of the items. Well, this is my first time actually trying it for this video, but I did my eyebrows off camera and I used the Goof Pro Brow Pencil, the applicator. It comes in like a diamond shaped thing. I just think it makes your eyebrows look really clean and nice. My eyebrows are not like the best today because I haven't actually like waxed them in like 2 months, but you know. And then it has the little spoolie effect where you just gotta brush the brow bone. But yeah, how have you guys been? I hope you guys have been well. I hope you guys have been blessed. I've been on, you know, I like to say God's been good, so I've been good. So because that's truly what it has been. Of course, there's been ups and downs, but so I'm going to be trying the JUVIA'S Place I Am Magic Radiant Long Lasting Creamy and Comfortable Foundation in the shade 210 Togo. Now we're talking about JUVIA'S Place. Have you guys been sleeping under a rock? Are you alive? Do you know what's happening? Like, if you do, then you know this is not going to be any news to you because I'm like, what, 2 months late? This drama happened when, in like May or something like that. You guys, wait, pause. Let me just oh my God, ULTA, I can't come and kill myself and die. Not on top of your matter. No. I don't even know why I'm continuing this rubbish. Like, look at it on my forehead. I'm actually quite confused, yeah? I don't even know if I should be frustrated now. Like, this is not my color. But you see how messy this is? This is how messy that whole JUVIA'S Place thing was. And I know you guys won't take me seriously because my face is like this, but if you can't rock with me in my bad times, man, don't rock with me at all. Please, you guys should take me seriously. I beg you. I know my face looks hella crazy, but please take me seriously. So, anyways, like black-owned brands, I still feel like can be inclusive. Inclusivity is a two-way street. However, I understand where people are coming from with like the whole like Jeffree Star thing, because Jeffree Star is racist. But at the same time, from what I gathered and information I got, it's not like JUVIA'S Place sent him the palettes. Not the palettes. What's wrong with me? This thing is really hitting. It's really hitting. It's not like they sent him the foundation. Apparently he bought the foundation and just tried it by himself and made a review on his own accord. And I understand like people being upset that JUVIA'S Place publicly acknowledged that, but at the same time, this is someone that is a very influential person in beauty society, and on his own he's buying your product and he's endorsing it. It's not like they endorsed him. I don't know if people would have preferred them to publicly or privately like appreciate him, but then if they privately appreciated him and down the line it comes out like in another 2 years, people will be like, oh, that's why they were racist on the low, blah blah blah. So I feel like it was only fair for them to do it publicly. I mean, they publicly appreciate every other YouTuber, small like Instagram influencer that wears their product. Like if you go on their Instagram right now, you scroll through their feed, you see different people that they've actually like put up on their page, like that's endorsing, you know, their brand. So I mean, and I kind of understand where they're coming from. But my biggest problem, I have to say, is with the idea and fact that there are people out there who are canceling the brand because their faves are canceling the brand. And I'm like, okay, I understand how like influencing works. I understand that half of the products that I'm probably using today is because I saw someone else try them. However, if I see someone try a product and I try it and I don't like it, I'm not going to buy it because the person continues to endorse it. The same way that if they endorse something and I like it when I buy it, I'm not going to keep giving that brand my money because my fave influencer actually endorsed it. Is it then my choice to decide what I like? Like, there are people out here that literally are jumping on brands and staying with brands because their faves are staying with the brands, and as soon as their faves let go of the brand, they're like, oh, I'm not doing it anymore. So when did they even have their own voice? Like, when was, like, so you were what? You out here, you gave your money to a brand because somebody else told you to. So what do you stand for? Would you like the brand or not? What, like, I'm so confused. So people that were out here really like appreciating JUVIA'S place, were appreciating them because somebody else told them to. This is 2019, sis. Like, use your brain. Use your brain. That's part of what's pissing me off with this whole cancel culture thing. Like, a lot of people are so quick to follow clout, like do anything for clout, do anything for clout. They don't want to go against the popular opinion. They don't want to have their own ground. Like, if you like a brand and you support a brand and you like, you know, you like their products, you've used them, and legitimately you don't feel offended by what happened, or not just offended, but you just feel like, okay, I still like this brand regardless of they made this mistake or they did this wrong, then stick with the brand. Don't be choking your head. If your fave jumps inside fire, goes to hell, you want to go to hell? Sis, like, wake up. Wake the F up, I beg. Like, zero. None of that. Like, don't be afraid to stand on your own. Like, do you know what I'm saying? Like, I just feel like that's part of what pissed me off the most. Like, of that whole, them being like, Chit being unprofessional. Alyssa, Ashley, and Jackie were just so unprofessional about it. I didn't feel like like, how would you say, oh, I'm not working with this brand because both the brand and the owner are trash? Like, come on, girl. I respect their hustle so much, and I really, like, felt like Alyssa Ashley was a very classy person, but that really made me like, I don't really have too much to say in that regard because they were all unprofessional, okay? All of them. But my problem is with the people that don't have brain. Like, it's not as if they don't have brain. Of course you have brains, but like, stand your ground, sis. Like, this is not even cute. Not at all. I know this doesn't match me at all. Okay, so next thing I'm going to be trying out is the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I'm going to like feed this product onto my face because with this situation we have right now, it needs some love. So I'm using color Butterscotch. Like, I'm about to be extremely generous with my concealer because if I'm not, I really think that this video will probably go south. And if it's going to go south, I'm going to be so upset because I had the choice of taking this off. I don't know what like actually like made me not take it off. Okay, come through for me. I feel like this concealer is about to save my damn life because it's coming through for your girl. Okay, wait. I'm not that mad at this anymore. Like, I look crazy. I know. To set my face, I'm going to be trying the Laura Mercier translucent powder. So this is not my first time ever trying this product because like my friends had it and I've tried it before. However, this is my first time owning this product. I ran out of my Sacha Buttercup, which is what I've been using for like the past couple years. Just brighten up the face, yeah. So yeah, like I was saying, I'm trying to find like balance in my life, and I'm trying to like, now part of the reason why I haven't even been uploading as much is because I'm trying to fight little like demons now. sounds crazy, but like little bad habits that I have that won't allow me to progress into like where I want to go. So I've been reading and getting into lots of like motivational pieces, and watching like videos of like motivational speakers and stuff. And just because I'm trying to elevate myself, I'm trying to get to like a new level, like from where I'm at right now. And okay, so recording. And for me to do that, honestly, it takes a lot of like mental stimulation. Oh, sorry. Mental like stimulation, and like always like trying to get yourself in that frame of mind. So one of the videos I watched, they literally said like you have to become the person that is capable of the lifestyle that you want to achieve. And not saying that you can't achieve it, but the traits and characteristics that you have right now clearly cannot get you the life that you want, because if it could, you probably already have had it, right? So it's like little things like not being, like for me, lack of discipline, being lazy, stuff like that. In the life that I envision for myself, there's no way that those characteristics can get me there. Does that make sense? So like those are the biggest things I've been trying to work on, because I really lack discipline. I had discipline like when I was in like college, like to turn in my homework on time and stuff like that. But aside from that, I really lack discipline. Okay. So yeah, I'm just trying to upgrade my life and be better and be more intentional and do better and find balance in my life. Like I've recently started working out. I'm currently on day 9 out of 56. Oh my god. So I joined my friend's like fitness program, and she made like a fitness plan for me, and excuse me, I've just been trying to stick to it more. And I feel like for me, it's been more of like just the fact that I've been disciplined enough to, even whenever it seems inconvenient for me to go, I just end up like, nope, I have to wake up this much, like 2 hours early before work so I can go, as opposed to waking up an hour early, you know. So it's kind of been an exciting journey for me, and I hope that I make it through. So hold me accountable. That's what I'm letting you guys know, so you guys can hold me accountable. How's this face looking, you guys? How is this face really looking? Oh, this is fun. Not really. But yeah, I'm working out, like I said, trying to get rid of that like laziness, lack of discipline mentality that I'm having right now. And I feel like if I can curb those, a lot of things in my life, like my YouTube will thrive, my life in general will thrive, my lifestyle will thrive, my work life will thrive, a lot of things will thrive, and I'll start to become the person that I envision, that successful, beautiful, amazing lady I know that I can be. So that's just me. Like I'm working on a lot of behind the scenes, and that will just cultivate and motivate me to be better for you guys, for myself, for, you know, everybody. Everybody's just a win-win for everybody. But yeah, I've been traveling a lot. If you follow me on all my other social media except for YouTube, like Snapchat and Instagram, you know that I have been traveling a lot. But that's been amazing, because although my bank account, bank account is crying, sis. It is crying. Oh, let's take a sip for that one. My bank account is crying. But I thank God, because for the opportunity, on my vision board, I literally wrote that I wanted to travel more this year, and I have. And I've pretty much accomplished my travel goals for my vision board, which is amazing. I thank God. But I think I've also been intentional. Half of those haven't always been for, or what half of those, like 3/4 of those haven't always been for vacation. It's always been to like either celebrate somebody or be around somebody, or, you know, surprise somebody or do something for someone else. And I'm trying to be more intentional about relationships, friendships, just with other people in general, people that I want to be in my space, people that I put in my space, and being intentional about what kind of, you know, friendship or relationship we have, and showing them that I care, and being there, being present, and being intentional, like actually not just like letting it go with the flow, letting friendship go with the flow, because I feel like I've learned that friendships, you know, and relationships, you need to you pick those people, and you need to keep on showing them that you pick them. So that's one thing that I've learned on this journey as well. So I'm excited about. And of course, you know, your girl is living her hot girl summer lifestyle. Because yeah, I'm just embracing all that I am, who I am, and learning to love fully who I am. Love the process, enjoy the process. Enjoy the process of finishing this makeup though. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope you guys think I actually tried to bring this look together, because I think I pulled through a little better than I thought I would. However, fact is fact. My face may look a little grey, a little grey, or a little not the same color as the rest of my body, but I thank God, because God really came through for your girl. Did you guys see that foundation before? Did you see it? Like, this is just a lesson to tell you that when ULTA, when that sales rep sends you the wrong foundation shades, gives you the wrong matched foundation shade, sis, you can still play and be a part of Hot Girl Summer 2019. Make the best out of all your foundation shades. Clearly, you guys can see I'm way too hyped for this video, so we're going to end it here before things hit the roof, because they've already hit the roof, but it can spiral. I hope to see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys truly enjoyed this video and you guys saw the ugly and the good, the bad, the ugly, the great, what I have now. So I'll see you guys in my next one, God willing. Stay beautiful, choose you, and God bless. You guys, I actually think that God has saved the day, because there is no other reasonable explanation as to why this somewhat looks like I finished work.